Well, it would appear that spring has sprung. It's Monday the 22nd of February and the sun's out. Apparently it's about 10 degrees Celsius. So I am going to go out for a little run on the XJ. She's got her boxes and all in the back. Tire pressure's checked. I don't know where I'll go. Not that terribly far. I wonder what the petrol situation's like. Ain't looking great. First stop's the petrol station, I think. First stop's normally the petrol station anyway. And it's 11:07, that seems to be right. Suppose I better go and get some clothes on me. Not that I'm naked, you understand, it's just I'm not dressed for motorcycling. Right, I'll be back shortly. Right, we're now going to try and start the motorbike single-handed, and I do just me and my own, I mean, with one hand. It shouldn't be too difficult, said he, hopefully. Ignition, but it shook. It wasn't difficult at all. We're going to test drive the new indicators. And make sure they work okay, which they do. It's just ticking over at about 200 revs a minute there. Right, let's get the helmet on. that's it. We're back home again. It was really only a very short run. That's strange enough. There were actually quite a few parts of the road that were damp and round corners and stuff like that, so I didn't go too far. What did we do? Where is it? So I only did 37 miles plus 3 or 4 to the filling station, but it was nice to get out. Unfortunately, the weather is going to turn again tomorrow. It's going to be wet and miserable for the next couple of days, so the bikes will be piled away into the garage and the covers back on them. But it's a good start. That's my first run of 2021, and I'm well pleased. Everything's going great. See you the next time. Bye.